Many of you may know that 2019 marks the 50th anniversary of Apollo 11. This is both a big milestone for the history of the world, but more specifically Omega. The Speedmaster was seen on the wrist of both Armstrong and Aldrin during this mission, making it the first watch on the moon. To celebrate, we wanted to run a little mini-series here on the channel to really give the Speedmaster the full attention it deserves. Let's kick things off with a traditional unboxing and first impressions. When your Omega Speedmaster arrives, one thing is unavoidable. The box is one of the biggest you can expect for a watch of this price point. Opening the briefcase style box reveals the watch sat inside a massive interior surrounded by space. Once you look past the watch, you'll notice a black Nylon NATO, a velcro strap, a spring bar tool, an Omega eye loupe, and a larger version of the caseback. If you're looking for a watch that when it arrives it makes you feel special, look no further than the Speedy. Taking the Speedmaster out of the box, the simplicity of the watch's dial design jumps out at you. This is a watch that acts as a benchmark for other chronographs to be compared against. The case comes in at 42mm wide, yet the short lug-to-lug length means it doesn't look or feel that size. This particular model we have here is a manual wind solid caseback option. Omega have really capitalised on the popularity and story of the moon landing with the introduction of a ton of variations, but for many, this is the true, most pure, most accurate Moonwatch available on the market. As you can see, the watch looks great on the standard Bracelet and NATO, but as soon as we start to introduce the idea of swapping those out for a strap, you can see the watch starts to come into its own. After only a short amount of time with the watch, I can tell this is going to be an extremely versatile watch that loves a good strap change. Stay tuned to the channel for a further look at the Speedmaster in the near future, as we explore what it's really like owning the watch, a look at our top strap suggestions, and how it stacks up against the competition. If you can't wait until then, head over to the online magazine, where Matt discusses his thoughts with the Speedmaster after 1 year of ownership. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.